Hi, readers. Today I'm here. I want to show you how I think while I read. I'm going to do a little passage from Hank Zipser from chapter 2, and I want to think out loud and show you what my brain is thinking while I am reading. So I'm going to read just a little bit of chapter 2. Do you remember when Hank wanted to go out to recess, but he was worried about his grade. And then he was thinking about his friend Frankie and tetherball. So that's this section right here. So as I'm reading, usually when the recess bell rings, Frankie and I are the first ones out of class and in line for tetherball. Well, I'm thinking, even in that first sentence, my head is thinking, tetherball. I'm not sure what tetherball is. Maybe as I read further, I'll learn a little bit more, but it must be a game two people can play because Frankie and Hank play it together. So I'm going to keep reading. Frankie's the tetherball champ of PS 87. No kidding. So Frankie must be really good at it. PS 87. Oh, yeah. That's Public School 87. Our school is Alexander Middle School. That one is PS 87. When they put tetherball into the Olympics, Frankie Townsend will get the gold medal for sure. Wow. The author is saying that tetherball isn't an Olympic sport, but that Freddie is so good, it should be an Olympic sport, and he would get the gold medal. That means Frankie must be really, really good. And while we're discussing the Olympics, can anyone tell me why tetherball isn't an Olympic sport and synchronized swimming is? Oh, he got sidetracked. He started thinking about the Olympics now instead of tetherball at recess, and he's wondering the difference between synchronized swimming and tetherball. So my brain is thinking, ooh, we're switching topics right now. Girls in nose plugs? Give me a break. They should give us a gold medal for watching them. So my brain is thinking right now, Hank doesn't really like synchronized swimming. He must have seen it before because he has some idea what it is. So, boys and girls, as I'm reading, my brain is doing a lot of thinking. It keeps going, it keeps inside the story. It's got other connections it's making as we're going. It's thinking about what I already know, my background knowledge. So as I read, I want my brain to be thinking on the connections and keeping in the story and thinking on what I already know so that I get a better understanding of the story. So readers today, as you're reading the entire Ricky Tikki Tavi, remember you can listen to it, but engage your brain. You can make those same kinds of connections and background knowledge as you read. Engage your brain. Think while you read. Make those connections. It will help you be a better reader and to better understand your story. Good luck, readers. Enjoy Ricky Tikki Tavi.